bum bum bum. Sum 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 sum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Sum 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 sum. Bum 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 bum.
Stop, Appu, stop! Beep! I got you! Earthquake! Run!
No, 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 no!
The house is shaking, Tina! Run fast! Appu has fallen on the floor. We better do something fast and get him moving. We are saved, Appu! The earthquake's gone! The earthquake's gone!
It wasn't an earthquake. This is my new invention, a massage chair.
That's why our Appu is looking even fitter. What if it would have been a real earthquake?
That is a good question. Remember, if you're in your house, then stay there and without panicking, drop down under a strong table. Cover your head with one hand and hold on to the table with the other. Like this. Drop, cover, hold. If you're on your bed or in the school, then you can use a pillow or your school bag to cover your head.
And what if we are outside the house or in a vehicle?
Good question, China. Come on! If you're outside, then stay away from buildings, trees, electric poles, and other such tall fixtures. And yes, if you're in a vehicle, then park your vehicle on the side of the road and go to an open place. Never use the elevator during an earthquake. You may use the stairs, but be very careful and do not panic. During an earthquake, things may fall or break, but don't be afraid. You must also check yourself for scratches or wounds after the earthquake. Run!
Appu, do not panic!